Honestly, it's pretty solid. They look just like new, man. Alright, so today we're gonna see if we can lift this Jeep using wood blocks.
Yep.
Do not do what we do. This is a bad idea, but we're gonna see if it works.
Don't take it on the road.
No, don't do that either. So first, we need to take that wheel off. We gotta take both wheels off, and we're gonna focus on the rear axle. So we're gonna go ahead and lift the rear axle and see how that works. Here's the plan, y'all. So a lot of people lift their trucks using leaf spring lift kits. So we're gonna make our own using wood blocks. So first, we're gonna need to take the tire off and also those U-bolts off and get the right parts to do this with. So this thing already has like a 2-inch lift, right?
2-inch lift, yeah.
It already has a 2-inch lift, so we're hoping to lift it probably another 2 to 3 inches using wood. Obviously, the biggest problem with this is cracking, which we're gonna try and buy some strong wood for this project, right, Zach? Really don't know how this is gonna go. It's either gonna work or it's gonna crumble magnificently and just disintegrate. We'll see what happens. Alright, so we gotta go to Home Depot real quick to get the wood and some longer U-bolts, right?
Yep.
And we looked at it. We're gonna have to use some really thin wood.
Really thin.
Sketchily thin wood. Is that even a word, sketchily?
It is now.
It is now.
It is now.
Literally, like, can we use a 2x4? 2x4 lift kit? I don't even know if a 2x4 would fit in that.
It's rather gonna be like a 1x4.
A 1x4?
Yeah. It's gonna have to be thin. The next episode's going to be more sketchy, so.
If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because next video, we're gonna be taking that in water. Very deep water. Looks like that would almost fit, dude. It's literally a 2x4. It would crush it a little bit. Alright guys, so I think we found the wood we're going to use. This is a 2x3. I don't know how long it is. It's pretty long though, so we're going to get it chopped up in small pieces. So, alright, we're back at the house. We went to 3 different stores, and at the 3rd store, we got what we needed. So this is what we're going to use. These are actual lift U-bolts. So they're meant for what we're doing, minus the wood. They're actually meant for this little metal piece right there. But they're way longer than the ones we have. They're several inches longer, so they should work just fine. So let's go ahead and get the show on the road. Alright, so right now we're lowering the axle down, okay?
That actually should be just fine.
Yeah, dude, that should work good. Okay, so the wood's just gonna go right there, dude.
Yeah, and to you honestly, as soon as you put that wood in right here,
yeah,
little bolt is gonna compress into the wood. So,
cool, dude. You ready to put the wood in?
That's what she said.
This is the first ever on YouTube this is being done. Yeah. Probably for a good reason too. This is stupid as hell. I think we should start out with 1 block of wood.
1 block of wood?
Yeah. Let's see how big of a difference that makes. When it could crush like instantly. We don't know what it's gonna do yet. So you think that's gonna work?
Wait, hold on.
It looks like a wooden leaf spring, dude. Woo! This is gonna be funny as hell, guys. Woo! So we put 2 on.
Oh, now you say 2.
I say we go full send and just put 2 on, honestly.
So it's basically gonna sit like that.
Yep. Old U-bolt on the right here, new U-bolt on the left. Obviously the new one is way longer and should work a lot better.
That's actually what we need it to be.
Exactly.
We went to 3 different stores looking for this stuff. It was
took a
ridiculous,
while.
Yeah.
That fits good, dude.
Plenty, yeah.
Fits real well.
Okay, so we are probably gonna have to take the jack and press this up. Okay,
so we have to jack up the leaf spring a little bit to get some more clearance going so we can put both blocks in. So that's what we're doing right now. Yes!
Oh my god.
So good, dude. Guys, look at this. Oh, thumbnail. We got the U-bolts on there. Kind of a tight fit, but we got her done, so.
Slowly let that thing.
So go fast. Got it. I swear to bejesus. Here we go. I'll let her rip. Ready?
Yeah.
So sketchy.
Pause.
Now I'm a little bit worried about this brake cable right here. So, all right, so while Zach's tightening that, I'm gonna go ahead and jack that axle back up and we'll see how it looks. There you go. Look at that. We need a crescent wrench, so Zach's asking our neighbors right now if he has one. Good, okay. Thank you.
Bring right back.
Of course, Zach is explaining what we're doing to our neighbor. Our ideas always sound more and more dumb when we say them out loud.
Yep. I love your neighbors.
Alright, I think the first side is done. What do you think, Zach?
I think it's good.
This is the finished product. Again, do not do this in your farm. You can hear the cracking noise?
Yeah.
Don't be us. Yeah. We're doing this strictly for your entertainment only.
Yeah, and ours.
We're doing this in the name of science and entertainment, but mostly entertainment. Alright, let's throw the tire on and see what happens. You can definitely see the difference. Alright, we're about to see if the wood's gonna break within the first 5 seconds. Let's find out. 3, 2, 1. Let her rip. Oh, it scared me. Jack's not touching anymore.
Holy crap. Woo. Dude, the Jeep is cockeyed.
That's a big difference. You can see the difference in the height just because we only have one side done. Like, it's teetering pretty good.
Oh my goodness.
No, you cannot keep it like that.
What with that?
If this doesn't break in this video, Zach's gonna want to keep this permanently. I already know. We got that tire done. Let's go ahead and knock the other side out and
go for a test drive.
Huh?
Test drive.
Yeah, but not on the streets. Alrighty guys, driver's side is done. This side looks a hell of a lot better than that side, so I think we're gonna go ahead and take that wheel back off. We're gonna go ahead and try and straighten that one clamp because this looks a hell of a lot better. So we'll go and get the tire on this one and then fix that one real quick. Okay, we went back on the passenger side, we fixed it, way better now. So let's put the wheel on and let's go take this thing for a rip. Dude, look at this. It's a lot higher. I don't know if we should high five this soon.
I don't care.
They haven't broken yet. That's a good sign. Guys, check this out. So yeah, we're only gonna do the rears because the front does not have loose springs, obviously. We'll do a walk around for y'all real quick.
We just proved you definitely could use wood blocks as a lift.
Yeah, if you don't drive it. We'll test that theory in a second. Yeah. The front has a 2-inch lift, and we just put like a 3-inch lift on it on the back. The Jeep already had a 2-inch lift all around, and we put another 3 inches-ish through the wood, so now the rear is 5 inches lifted. It looks like a little monster truck, dude. All right, we're gonna test it out real quick by driving around our backyard, and it'll be a good first test for this. Of course, this thing's dead, so we gotta jump start it. Go ahead. Turn your fans off. So far, so good. Here's the real test. It's working, dude. That's awesome.
Really?
Yeah. It's definitely working.
I wonder if you like stack some like things up to see it flex.
Okay, go for it. All right, Zach's got his little flex ramp set up. Let's see if it gets up it. A little bit more. A little bit more. Nice and sketchy. Perfect.
How's it look?
Honestly, it's pretty solid. It looked just like new, man. I don't know if I would trust it on a trail, but yeah, it's working right now. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. So we would take it off-road, but we don't have a truck and trailer, and we're not about to drive that on the street. That's dumb. We're not that stupid here at Novice Garage.
It worked!
Surprisingly. Guys, drop a comment if you like this video, and also drop a like as well. Let us know if you guys want to see us actually take this thing on a trail with the wood blocks on it. Also, today's Thursday. I'm gonna have the video up tonight. It's happening. Tomorrow, Friday, we have a big surprise. We're buying our next project. It may have the word tow in it. Stay tuned for that. That should be up tomorrow as well. Until next time, we'll see y'all later.
Peace.
Peace. Oh yeah, the drive shaft is still not there, so right now it's technically a front-wheel drive Jeep.